install the stainless steel brake lines. I don't want the old ones on there. Shit's a dub. So I got these. Let's put this on. Let's get it. I got these from Z1 or Z1 Motorsports or Miss Foreman's. Got these shits. So before you install the brake line, the steel brake line, I made two separate ones. One's for the one that's how you usually do it. People adjust it, try to make it work. It didn't work for me. Shit was hitting my rims. So I made a second one. How I did it. The second one, it's not hitting the rims. I custom something to put there. Not really custom, but I made it work. You'll see in the video. Okay, pretty much common sense. Which one is the front? Which one is the back? The smaller one is for the back, and the front is long. Okay, so let's remove the old ones, the ugly spaghetti, whatever you want to call them. Take those off. Make sure you spray this with some WD-40, PB Blast or whatever, same shit. Okay, you're gonna remove this right here. This line goes all the way up here. Boom. All this you do not need. You're gonna take all that shit off. Okay, and this. You're gonna see when we take it out. We don't need none of that shit. Okay, now let's loosen the 10. Make sure you have this. 10. Okay. Once you loosen it with that, I like to use this regular wrench because it's faster than the other one. Because you gotta find the right fitment, put it in, slide it down, boom, boom. Okay, pull up on it like that. Put to the side. Don't bend it too much. Now let's get a hammer. I like using this side of the hammer. Watch out for the ABS. Don't fuck that up. Take it out the way if you can, so don't fuck it up. Let's go behind it like this and try to take it out. Okay, it's coming out. Boom. There you go. Boom, boom. Now you're gonna need that. Don't throw it out. Wiggle on this. Should come out. Let's get a 12. Loosen these. Let's spray these up. Okay. 12 over here. Loosen it. Boom, boom. I'm gonna get the speed gun. Finish that off. Let's do this over here while we waiting. This one might be a little seized. Might have to burn this shit. Okay, I had to put some fire on there real quick because this shit was seized. You know what I'm saying? So now it's out. I had to put some on here too. This one's a little hard on there. And trying to strip it. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Fuck it. Okay. Once you loosen both of those, wiggle them out. All this garbage you don't fucking need, man. Look at this. Don't need none of this shit. Alright. There you go. Here's your big ass brake line. Look. Look at this. Look at this. All this. But some people like those. I don't. And look at this. Boom, boom, simple. Straight to the caliper. This one you gotta go here, 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 here. Come on. Okay. Now get your new one. Make sure you get the one that's face down like this. You see how this is face down? You see? Boom. You need this one. This one is faced like this. It's not the one. Yeah. See, it's flat. Boom. Okay. Don't get confused. It really shouldn't matter, but we'll find out. Okay. Once you put it on, put this in there. Boom. Hold it. Take this right here. Slide it here. Boom. Okay. Just like that. Put the bolt on. If you want, you can put anti-seize on here. If you want. Actually, let's put that on there. It's supposed to put it like this, but when we put in back the caliper, you might have to adjust this thing because this thing look a little tight. It doesn't look right. Okay, make sure you tighten your brake line. Okay, don't OD tighten it, but snug tighten that shit. Okay, should be good. Okay, the back is way easier. Just gotta loosen this bolt, take this out, and slap the other one. Boom. Okay, that's off. Now I gotta take this off. Same thing with the hammer. Yeah. See what I'm doing? It's like that. Boom. Even faster. Okay. Wiggle, wiggle. There's your old one. Look at this shit. Stupid. Stupid, stupid. And here's your new one. Boom, boom, boom. Let's clean this up a little. Okay, put this, like this. Make sure it's flat. Sits flush. Okay, you put the thing that hold it, and that's it. So you get the caliper, and it should go like this. Boom. We're still waiting on the calipers to get painted, so wait on that. Don't forget to tighten this back. Okay. Tighten it snug, don't OD tighten it, you know. Snug. Okay.